Hello again, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, which is lesson 4 on the class book, page 77. Lesson 4, class book, page 77. And the title for the subject is about phonics and spelling. Phonics, it means the sound or the words, and spelling, it means how can you write down this word. Okay, we have long vowel A sound. We have long vowel A sound. How can we recognize this sound in a word? It's very easy, okay? Because we have 3 keys. We have 3 patterns. What does mean that? It means سه كليل معناها بقوي إما بتواني أو دنجا بناسينا لنا وشكلنا. The first one, we have AI. As you know, A is one of the vowel sound, okay? And it's followed by I. So together, it can give us long vowel A in a word. Here we have these 2 words. We have rain and train. Rain, train. When you read these 2 words, you can't say right or train. You have to make this vowel sound A to be long. You have to say rain, train. Rain, train. So this is the first key. Let us move to the second one, or the second key, or the second pattern. We have A-Y. A is a vowel sound. It's one of the 5 vowel sounds, okay? But here we have A, which is followed by Y. What does mean that? If we have A, okay, as a vowel sound, which is followed by I, actually this sound, most of the time it comes at the end of the word. We have Monday. You know what it means Monday? It's one of the days of the week. And we have train. You know what it means train? It means seen. Okay? Monday, train. Here we have long vowel A, Y, because we have one of the patterns that we can recognize this long vowel A sound. Sorry. So A is vowel, which is followed by Y. So this Y affected on this E to be long. Okay? So you have to read it in this way. Monday, train. Monday, train. So now let us move to the third pattern, or the third key. We have A space E. Maybe you have a question. What does mean that space? This space, it means if you have A as a vowel sound, so here in this space, you have to fill this space with a consonant sound. And at the end, we have magic E. Magic E. Especially for those words which they contain 4 letters, like these 2 words, we have case and face. Case, face. If you see, C is a consonant, so here we have to put another space. It means we have consonant sound. You know what the consonant sound like T, X, L, F, G, K. These are consonant sounds, okay? Consonant sound, we have vowel A. Here we have consonant sound as well. And here finally we have magical E, or magic E. In this pattern, this A, it will be long vowel A. Why? Because this E is silent, okay? As we practice at school, if you remember, this E, okay, it's silent. So this A, it can shout, okay? It can shout. So at this time, it will be long vowel A. Case, face. Case, face. So the patterns are A-I, A-Y, A space E. It means you have to follow it with one of the consonant sound. If we add another example for each key, for each pattern, we have rain, train, we can say pain, okay? We have Monday, train, you can say Sunday as well, okay? Or stay. We have case, face, you can say race, okay? Race. We have A as a vowel, we have consonancy, and we have magic E. So this E will be long vowel E. That's all for today. I hope you get the lesson very well. Now let's practice on the dear students. So let's practice together. Here we have this chant. We have a short song. It is Monday today. If you see Monday, there is AY pattern. So this A, it can give us long vowel A. So that's why it draws a circle around it. Then we have today. Today also, it ends with AY, one of the patterns. And I can play. Play also we have AY, so it means that at this time that A will be long vowel A. Outside there's rain. Rain also we have another pattern. The first pattern that I mentioned before, AI. So, but I am in with my trains. So train also we have A and I. You have to draw a circle around it. I open my case. Case we have then we have this consonant sound, okay? And we have E, which is magic E, okay? And the trains have a race. Train, we have one of the key, AI. Then race, also you have to draw a circle around it because there's long vowel A in this word as well. The second one, okay, you have to read it. Read the chant again. Circle the word with AI, AY, and AE. The first example, we have Monday. Monday, you know, we have AY, so you have to match it with this key or with this pattern. Number two, the picture is the picture of rain, or we have rain picture. You have to write down the word to get the pattern, okay? So rain, when you write down this word, there's AI, which is one of the patterns that tell us this A is a long vowel, A. Number three, we have race. This is S. Sorry, we have case. This is S. So C-A-S-E. A is a vowel, S is a consonant, and E is magic E. So at this time, this A will be long vowel, A. Number four, we have tray. Tray also, there's AY, one of the patterns. So this one you have to match with this pattern, and tray you have to match it with this one, you know. Train also, there's AI, so you have to match it with this pattern. And race, there's A consonant, E, so you have to match it with this pattern. And that's all. So now let us move to the workbook. I hope you to take out your workbook because it will be your homework. So page 77 on the workbook, this page, the whole page is your homework, or it will be your homework. I hope you to do it with your parents. If you have any question, if you can get a exercise easily. So that's all for today. Have a nice time. Thank you.